is Ricky. I am a patient of Dr. Khayal for probably about 2.5 years. I first started having problems. I work on a computer all day, and I started having back problems, lower back problems, and the sciatic nerve was acting up on my left side. And started doing some research on figuring out what exactly to do and how to solve the situation. And I had heard about Dr. Khayal through someone else and decided I'll give it a shot and go visit him. And from the moment I met Dr. Khayal, I just felt an immediate bond and connection. I really felt like he listened and he understood the situation. So I decided to give things a try here and decided to see if it would work or not for the back. And ever since then, every time I come in, every month, I absolutely feel great. Without it, I honestly think I would have some issues with the lower back still and the sciatic nerve, but I do not now. And I can tell when my back is getting an adjustment when I come in. And about a year ago, I believe Dr. Khayal purchased the ProAdjuster, a machine that looks at your back. And at first I was kind of concerned about that because I'd never seen anything that was along that line, and I decided to try it. It's one of those machines that just really works, and the combination of him and his personality and this office and how nice everybody is and the ProAdjuster, I don't think you can beat it. So I definitely would recommend coming, having your back adjusted, having an interview with Dr. Khayal and letting him help you with your health and getting to be in a better place.